Hey beauties! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something we often overlook, lip care. Yes, your lips need love too. From flaky lips to dullness, we've all been there. But don't worry, in the next few minutes, I'll show you how to exfoliate, hydrate, protect, and even share a mini lip care tour. Let's get into it. What is lip care and why it's important? Lip care means taking steps to keep your lips soft, healthy, and moisturized. The skin on your lips is thin and delicate, that's why it dries out faster than the rest of your face. Without care, you can get chapped, dark, or cracked lips. But with the right routine, your lips will always stay kissably soft. Step-by-step lip care routine. Step 1. Exfoliate. Start with a lip scrub to remove dead skin cells. You can use a store-bought one or make your own with sugar and honey. Gently rub in circular motion for 1 minute, then wipe off with a damp cloth. Tip: exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week, not daily. Step 2. Lip mask. After exfoliating, apply a nourishing lip mask. This deeply hydrates and plumps your lips overnight. You can use masks with ingredients like honey, shea butter, or hyaluronic acid. Tip: apply before bed or when you're relaxing for 15 to 30 minutes. Step 3. Lip balm, daily protection. Your best friend, lip balm. Choose one with SPF during the day and a thicker one at night. Look for ingredients like beeswax, coconut oil, or lanolin. Tip: always apply balm before lipstick to prevent dryness. Bonus lip care tips. Here are some quick pro tips. Drink lots of water, hydration starts inside. Avoid licking your lips, it makes them drier. Use a humidifier at night in dry seasons. Gently remove lipstick with micellar water or oil-based removers. Here are 4 popular lip care favorites you can easily find at NKECH'S and NKECH'S in South Africa. These are great for moisturizing, healing, and protecting your lips, and they are all available at both NKECH'S and NKECH'S. 1. Vaseline Lip Therapy, Rosy or Original. Why it's loved: instantly moisturizes and soothes dry, chapped lips with a light gloss finish. Good for daily use, dry or cracked lips. 2. Blistex Medicated Lip Balm. Why it's loved: contains SPF and medicated ingredients to relieve dryness, cold sores, and cracked lips. Good for intense repair and sun protection. 3. Oh So Heavenly Lip Balm, various fruity flavors. Why it's loved: fun scents, affordable, and infused with vitamin E and shea butter. Good for everyday lip hydration and kids/teens too. 4. Labello Lip Balm, Cherry, Original, Hydro Care. Comes in various flavors, offers long-lasting hydration, and adds a hint of tint, depending on variant. Good for hydration and subtle shine. Whether you're on a budget or want luxury lip care, there's something for everyone. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, comment your favorite lip product, and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty tips. Your lips deserve the best. Bye.